Hey, what's up guys? Today on my RC channel we got something a little different for you. I picked up this partially assembled Midnight Pumpkin on eBay for a good deal. It came with everything it needed ready to run. To be ready to run. It is not ready to run, but we're going to see if we can get it assembled with everything it came with and hopefully not have to buy any more parts. I'm so sad to see this thing sitting in a box. Partially assembled, brand new, just not being ready to go. So we'll see what we can do about that. All right, time lapse time. Alright guys, well I'm finished painting the body. The paint's still a little bit soft, so I'm doing my best not to handle it too much. But I ended up painting it Rust-Oleum Black and then going over the outside of that with Spaz Stix color change paint. And it looks really cool. It does change color a lot. It's got this really cool purple hue. It switches to orange and alright, well now that this truck is complete, we're going to take it to the park and give it a test run. I did have to figure out a way to shove a shorty pack in this because I do run 2S lipos, but it is possible with an LCG shorty pack and a little piece of foam on the side for the little bracket. I was able to make it go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the running portion of the video, and here we go. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And leave some comments about what you did, what you didn't like, what you thought about the truck. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I do my best to respond, although sometimes it takes me a little while to get there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so next time I drop a video, you guys are made aware. Alright guys, see you next time for more action. Have a good weekend. Peace.